Today we see the Indian Village at Jamestown Festival Park on this edition of GoGoGorman. If you like these videos, please hit the like, please subscribe to this channel. As you come into this area, the first thing you see is this ceremonial circle that's very indicative of the Indian Village. They now call it the Paspahegh Town, but when I was growing up, we always called it the Powhatan Indian Village. There's these beautiful reed-covered houses all over this clearing in the woods. Moving through the village, we then see a cooking circle. Normally, there are Indian interpreters that would be here talking about what they would be cooking in that time period. Here you've got this soul hut in the town. You've got that pelt drying over there. And as we move along, you'll see where there would be a crop circle in the village. And lastly, look at the texture of that reed covering.